Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will discuss queries from 31 to 35. Okay. So in previous video, we have discussed nearly 30 queries. So if you want to watch those videos, the link is provided in the description. Please go through it. So let's enter into the topic. So first question is list all the employees, those who joined before or after 1981. So previously we also solved these type of queries. I mean, not this query, just related to these queries. So, okay, now let's solve this query practically in SQL Place. Those who have not installed SQL Place, so please install. So how to install also we have done video. So please go through it. The link is in the description. So to clear the screen, CL place is here. So the screen is clear. Now let us try. So those who have joined before or after 1981, but not in 1981. Okay. Select star from EMB. So we have also used these type of queries. So hide date, comma. So they have mentioned clearly 1999, 1981, right? So for that, open exclamatory, I mean quotation, year, close, not in 1981. So let us see. Quoted string not properly terminated. Okay. So what we have to do is, one second. So if you see here, we have not closed this year properly, so we must decide. So let us try this. To care, hide date, comma, open here, close, and then close the bracket, not in 1981. Okay, see, so employee number, we got all the details. If you see here, select start from EMB where to care, not in 1981. So except 1981, we got 1980, 87, 82. Okay, that is our query. So let's move to next query. List the employees whose employee number not starting with digit 78. Okay, easy. So if you see the previous questions, list all the employees who joined before or after 81. We can execute in one more way. Okay, let us try that one as well. So select, actually I copied that content, so directly I'm pasting. So to care of, so hide, so please check the spelling, hide date, okay, comma, y year, okay, so close, and year not equals to, right, not equals to 1981. Okay, simple. That is our query. So we can also execute in one more way. So that is select star from EMB to care, same, hide date, comma. So if you want the same content, just note it in the right notepad and then just keep it in copy, and then you can paste here. Okay, we have used this symbol in previous videos as well. Okay, same. If you check the output is same, no change, just we are writing different ways. Okay, let's check the last type, and then we will go to the next question. Okay, so we have already copied the content, so that's why I copy paste. So next, open, hide date, so we have used not equals to and not in. Now we are using not like. Okay, not like, open parenthesis, 1981. Same, the output is the output doesn't change, just we are trying different ways. So when interviewer asks, can you execute the same query in different ways, so that it will be helpful for us. That is the reason why we are executing multiple times in multiple ways. So let's move to the next question. List the employees whose employee number not starting with the digit 78. Okay, let us execute this query. So before that, just clear the screen. CL, 1 second, CL space SCR. Okay, now we will try the second question. So for that, so copy paste. So here, no need of to cap, just before copied. So that's why I paste here. So not starting with 78, right? So for that, select start from EMP where employee number not like 78. Just give space here, so it is better, otherwise it will terminate. See, select start from EMP where employee number not like 78. So it should not be starting with 78. So if you check here, all are starting with 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 79. So they are not starting with 78. So that is our query that they are asked to execute. So let's move to third question. List the employees who are working under manager. So this is a little bit complicated. They asked list the employees who are working under MGR. So for that, we will write the query. Let us see if it will execute or not. Okay, CLECT select e dot ename. Just we are using the concatenation here. Let us try this way. If it doesn't execute, let us try one more way. Okay, so concatenation so works for m dot ename from emp, that is e comma emp space m where dot mgr equals to e dot employee number. Just we are using joins and then we are solving this question. See, they are asking who is the manager and who is working for which manager and who is working for. So if you see here, by using concatenation we made a sentence formation. Okay, so Smith works for Ford. If you see the in the employee table, you will get a better idea. Okay, if you see here, so first what we got, Smith works for Ford, right? Yeah, Smith works for Ford. So let us see in that employee table. If you see here, Smith's manager is 7902. So who is having employee number 7902? Ford. So Smith's manager is Ford. So that's we are making here. Smith works for Ford. Just simple question, but with using of joints, we made it very clear. Like that all. Miller works for Clark. If you see here, Miller is having 7782. Is manager of Miller. So who is 7782? Clark. So Clark is the manager of Miller. So Miller is working for Clark. That's we have executed. Okay, like that for all managers and who is working for that manager. That is our query, that what we have executed. I hope this is very clear. Okay, so I said if it doesn't work, we will try another way. So it is executed. Let's try one more way also. Okay, so for that, let us clear the screen. So I said one more way, right? So let us try that as well. Select e dot ename has an employee. So first we will get a manager number and then we will get the employee. So that's why we are using concatenation. Yeah. m dot ename from emp dot e. So when we are solving these type of questions, so first write in the notepad and then execute. So because it will save a lot of time. So once you have, if you do mistake, it will consume a lot of time to execute this question. So let us check one more time. Select e dot ename has an employee, manager dot manager name from employee. So employee m, where e dot employee number is equals to m dot manager. See, Ford has an employee Smith. Okay, Ford has an employee Smith, and Blake has an employee Allen. So same like that. Who is manager? Who is having employee under that manager? That's what we have executed. So let's move to next query. List the employees who joined in any year but not belongs to month of March. So listen carefully. List the employees who joined in any year, either 80, 81, 82, doesn't matter, but does not belong to March. Okay, let us execute this query. So select star from EMP where to care. It is very helpful for us in this query. So hide date, comma. They especially mentioned month, right? So that we have to write month here. So don't forget to close this, and not in March. Okay, let us see. We have to enclose this, I think so. Simple. Yeah. So if you see here, except March, all months are here. Jan, December, May, September, November, April, June. So for that we have written the query. The question is very simple. Those who have not joined in the March, we have to get the query. So we have executed this. So we will write this query in another way. Okay. So to care of hide it. Very simple. All these are very simple, but just what we need is practice, and we have to spend some time. That's it. So we have used not in. So now we are going to use not equals to mar close. Simple. The output is same. So 14 row selected, 14 row selected. So from that, what we can conclude is no one is hide in the month of March. That is confirmed. Okay. Let us try in one more way. Okay. So hide date, comma. So no need to write only MYN. We can write month as well. Okay. No issues. So now we are going to use not like. First we use not in. Now not equals to. Now not like. Okay. See, same 14 rows selected. So the concept is same, just we are using different operators so to get the query, so that it will be helpful to remember as well, and also to get the good impression uh, at any time. If you solve in different ways, that will be beneficial to you. Let us try one more. Okay, so to just this is the last one. Symbols are common. We are using not in, we are using not like, we are using not equals to, and also we are using one more, that is less than or greater than. Okay, hide it, comma. Here we are using only MON. Okay, now we are going to use less than or greater than. The concept is same, MA or March. See, 14 was selected. So the concept is same, just we are executing in different ways, and by using different operators. So list the employees who joined in the year but not belongs to March. We have solved 4 different ways. Okay. So last question, list all the clerks of department number 20. Very simple. Select stop from EMP where department number is equals to 20 and job is equals to clerk. Okay. This is very simple question only. With when we compare with this question, who are not starting, not this question, who are working under manager, MGR. Okay. When we compare with this question, this is very easy. Let us execute this and end the session. Okay. So please like the video and subscribe the channel if you hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, last last query of the session. Select start from EMP. So where job clerk, okay, right, job is equals to CLERK. Please check the spellings. CLERK, where job is equals to clerk and DEPT, department number, is equals to 20, right? Simple. The query is very simple when we compare with the 33th query. Okay, so in this session we have solved these five queries. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. So I will try my level best to solve this. Any queries, any doubts. So if you hope this video is useful, so please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.